No, actually, the next one should be the Euro New Zealand, because this was actually the one that has moved. I mean, we're looking at strength and weakness. So if you're looking at this, you can see that again. This is, if you or most of you should focus on when we do our selection, on pinpointing the trades that have the same structural point as the same as their entry point. These are usually very high probability trades that do pay. I mean, look here at the pound Swiss from last week, the Aussie Swiss from last week, 97.35, 95.27. So you got 200 pips on the Aussie Swiss from last week. I mean, it's, look at the I mean, we changed, but if you can pick ones which are pretty much one and the same, so like say the Euro Yen going short below 99.80, 88, this is from last week, but buying any price point, the Euro Aussie, buying it above, from last week, above the 124.22, buying it right now with the decline that we had in the Euro Aussie, you're still up 300 pips. So these should be one of your high priority trades when your structure point and your entry points are one and the same. So anyway, let's do the Euro New Zealand. And the Euro New Zealand on a daily chart is very interesting, and as you can see here, we had a structure point at the 158.14, but at the same time, if I do this, which is the 159.04, this is quite a major turtle soup, if you will. That was a major breakout to the upside, and we should have had a very powerful follow suit. Now coming back like this is a big failure here, and this should lead to a further decline. This is not, this is a big turtle soup and should give us some more push to the downside. So we're looking to be shorting the Euro Aussie, the Euro New Zealand now. I know some of you guys bought it on the long term, but right now we have to reevaluate this position, and we want to be taking it short. There is no reason to buy unless it gets above the 158.14. So the 158.14 is easy. This is a big range day, so tomorrow is going to be clear if this is going to come back. We're sitting now at 157.84, so we're just 20 pips below that structure point, and we didn't have the capitulation. The real capitulation we had was below the 159.04. So right now I'm still looking for a short, I'm still looking for a capitulation, but it seems to have waned a little bit. So we're going to take it below the low of the day, and our buying point is going to be above the 158.14. This is our long point. This is our, you see they're playing rolls now. I'm reversing the rolls. All right, and on the short side, we're going to go short below the low of the day, which is 157.75. Right below the low of the day here, and If I do, I can place my stop. I'll use the structure point, the 158.14. I'll leave it the 158.14 as my stop. So I'm buying it above the 158.14. That's my structure long point and my stop. On the short, I'm going to go short below 157.75. My next structure point is the 155.99.7, and I'm using the 158.14 as my long and my short stop. Okay, that is the Euro New Zealand.